Sama magtay. So it's my first time doing open mic on this channel. Of course, I'm just new to YouTube. And I still haven't got any views. And I don't even have any subscribers. So I'll try my best. Yeah, I'll try my best. TikTok, I did voice open mic video and it doesn't go well. So I'm trying it on YouTube. I'm good. Well, if one of you just decide to, like or subscribe to me, that would be helpful. Well, right now I have nothing to do. I still don't know how to edit, so my voice was just so low. I have an asthma, by the way. Have to try. Maybe I'm yours. Oh, I forgot about the part 2 of No Player Online. Once I'll do the part 2. Bear with me, guys. Promise I'll do the part 2. I just wanna take a break of my anxiety. I feel like someone is watching me while playing the game. Close guy. While playing those games, I've been so insecure. Like, bro, my heart's beating so fast while playing the no player game, no player online game. I don't want to do it anymore. I don't want to do it. I don't want to. I don't know. I can't. I'm afraid of the dark. So I have anxiety after that someone's watching me. It hurts. Even though it's night, so I'm feeling a bit too scared. So let's just move on and let's keep playing. I've been talking for 5 minutes already. Should I go to bed? Cause Jane said don't go to bed. Fine, I'll just sit down. Oh shit. Oh my god, where? Oh shit. Oh fuck you. I didn't even sleep. I can't sleep. I can't even think anything. Like, bro. Nah, I have none of it. So shut your ass.